Welcome to a thrilling episode on the AI Chronicles channel, where today, we're diving into a digital revolution that's reshaping the very fabric of video editing. Imagine a world where your creative impulses are not just a thought, but can be visualized instantaneously. Yes, you heard that right. Adobe has just rolled out its latest marvel, Adobe Firefly Video Plus, and it's nothing short of a game changer. In today's feature, we're not merely scratching the surface, we're plunging deep into the realms of artificial intelligence to explore how Adobe, with its pioneering spirit, is integrating cutting-edge AI video models like Sora by OpenAI, Runway Gen 2, and Pabs into Premiere Pro. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution that promises to redefine creativity in the digital space. Join us as we dissect the monumental impact of these integrations, seen through the eyes of a seasoned video creator who has spent a staggering 11,000 hours in Adobe Premiere Pro, a true digital craftsman who has witnessed the evolution of video editing software from its humble beginnings to its current state of AI-enhanced prowess. But there's more. Today's episode isn't just about technological advancements, it's about breaking down walls. Adobe's decision to embrace an open integration approach marks a pivotal shift in how big tech companies traditionally operate. By allowing users to harness the strengths of various AI models, Adobe is setting a precedent for openness and flexibility in creative software that many did not see coming. So, gear up for an insightful journey through the latest AI tools that are making video editing more accessible, efficient, and mind-blowingly creative. Whether you're a professional video editor or a curious enthusiast, this episode is tailored to stoke your imagination and maybe, just maybe, inspire your next big project. Don't miss out. Subscribe to AI Chronicles now and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all things AI. Let's embark on this journey of discovery together, and who knows? By the end of this video, the way you think about video creation might just change forever. Get ready, it's going to be a wild ride. Adobe's latest innovation, Adobe Firefly Video Plus, represents a significant leap in video editing technology by integrating AI-driven models directly into Premiere Pro. This integration not only streamlines the creative process, but also enhances the capabilities of video editors, allowing for real-time generation and modification of content with unprecedented ease and precision. The core of Adobe Firefly Video Plus lies in its ability to utilize different AI models, such as Sora from OpenAI, Runway Gen 2, and Pabs. This approach enables users to select the most suitable AI tool for specific tasks, catering to a diverse range of creative needs and preferences. For instance, whether enhancing the realism of digital characters or automating complex editing sequences, users can achieve high-quality results faster than ever before. Moreover, Adobe's decision to open up its platform to multiple AI developers is a transformative move that fosters innovation and competition within the industry. This openness not only benefits Adobe by broadening the range of functionalities in Premiere Pro, but also empowers users by providing them with a variety of cutting-edge tools at their fingertips. This strategy of inclusiveness greatly contrasts with the more closed ecosystems often seen in tech, marking a pivotal shift in how software giants are approaching AI integration in creative fields. In practical terms, the tools offered by Adobe Firefly Video Plus drastically reduce the time and effort required to perform complex video editing tasks. For example, the Object Edition tool allows editors to insert specific elements into scenes seamlessly, which would traditionally take hours of manual labor. Similarly, the ability to generate realistic B-roll footage from textual descriptions transforms the way films can be produced, making professional quality results achievable even for those with limited resources. The implications of these advancements extend beyond mere convenience. By democratizing access to sophisticated editing tools, Adobe is leveling the playing field, enabling freelance video creators and small production teams to produce content that competes with larger studios. This shift not only changes the dynamics of the video production industry, but also encourages a more vibrant and diverse creative landscape. As Adobe continues to innovate and expand its AI capabilities, the future of video editing looks increasingly exciting. With each update, Premiere Pro is becoming more than just a tool for cutting and arranging clips, it's evolving into an intelligent assistant that enhances the creative vision of its users. This transition from manual to AI-enhanced editing is not just a technical upgrade, it's a redefinition of what it means to be a video creator in the digital age. As we've explored the groundbreaking advancements brought forth by Adobe with its Firefly Video Plus, it's clear that the future of video editing is not just approaching, it's already here. The integration of AI technologies like Sora, Runway Gen 2, and Pabs into Premiere Pro is not merely an upgrade, it's a revolution that's reshaping the very fabric of creative expression and content production. This exciting era of AI-enhanced video editing is not only about enhancing efficiency but also about unleashing creativity. With tools that simplify complex processes and open up new possibilities for creativity, Adobe is empowering creators at all levels to bring their visions to life with a level of polish and sophistication that was previously out of reach for many. Now, it's your turn to dive into this transformative technology. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking to streamline your workflow or a budding filmmaker eager to explore the bounds of your creativity, Adobe's latest tools offer something for everyone. Don't just take our word for it, experiment with these capabilities and see how they can enhance your projects. Subscribe to our channel for more updates on how AI is revolutionizing different industries and stay ahead of the curve in the digital content creation space. Let us know how these tools are reshaping your creative process and share your projects with us. Dive into the future of video editing now and transform the way you create. Remember, in the realm of digital creation, the only limit is your imagination.